Alright, we're at the Highland Atrium in Downers Grove, Illinois, or 1101 West 41st Street in Downers Grove, Illinois. Come on. And last time I was here, I wrote an Otis lesson. Let's see if it's not original. This is from the late 70s or early 80s. I forgot when. I think 78 maybe. Definitely 70s lesson. Graphic welding. The old Otis logo. Alrighty, so original B. Definitely 70s lesson. Two. Listen to this motor. We'll do one more ride because this has a pretty epic motor. Watch the CLP this time. Good old lesson from the 70s. I'll close in a second. Just your basic elevator from the late 70s. 88 phone, obviously replaced. We'll go up to one after this. I'll put my camera down to see the classic leveling. Here we go. Oh well. As you can see, this is the only elevator in the building. There it goes. That's it. Like, comment, subscribe, and if interested, support me on Patreon. And I'll see you on the next video.